your mercy never fails me. All my days have it held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up, instead I lift my hand, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.